Can I use our app with Microsoft AD?
The short answer is yes, but let me explain a little bit. Active Directory uses a protocol called Kerberos internally to authenticate domain joined devices. And in order to be able to speak SAML, which is the most common enterprise single sign-on protocol, which also our app supports, you need to have a component installed called Active Directory Federation Services, ADFS. It's a free role that you can add to your Active Directory, and once you have that installed, then ADFS can terminate Kerberos as a protocol, authenticate your domain joined devices, but can also authenticate users from the outside, from tablets, mobile phones, etc. And that then talks SAML to our app on Jira or Confluence, which does the single sign-on. So yes, it works.